So, your ice machine is full of water like this. It's actually more common than you'd expect. But usually it doesn't indicate there's anything wrong with your machine. It usually means there's something wrong with your drain. There's a drain there. We're going to go down to the basement where this thing actually drains to. Now, depending on how your system was set up, it could drain into a dedicated standpipe. Behind there, it might run into a little tube that goes to a floor drain. But there's just a little drain on the bottom of that thing. And as the ice melts, the ice slowly drains. So if that plugs up somehow, then your entire compartment will just fill up with water, because as it's dropping sheets of ice and water spilling over the evaporator, it's just going to fill up with water. So what you need to do is locate where it drains and figure out what's blocking it. So in this case, it comes through the floor right here, comes down, there's a little coupling there, and then drains to right here. Now, kind of hard to see, but there's actually like a biofilm growing here. So like some boogery bacterial sludge, and just the constant melt off from an ice machine is the perfect place for bacteria to start growing. So they'll often grow up into the pipe like this and plug the thing off. So sometimes you have to cut it and like stick a wire through there and then use a shop vac or compressed air to actually suck and blast everything out. Hopefully we can just use a shop vac and get everything sucked out, but that doesn't always work. So proving to be pretty stubborn, we might take that pipe coupling off and try from the top side. Well, this one's proving to be really difficult, so I think we're gonna have to go up top. Nasty stuff. So, got most of the ice hauled out. There's a lot of ice. You can see our problem. So these things have a drain, or at least this particular model is a Scotsman. And it's got a drain right here, and it's just plugged up with ice machine slime, as I call it, algae. So we'll bring the shot back up and actually stick it down next to that and suck that nozzle out. And then that should allow us to get the water drained out here. Then we'll suck out the rest and clean this compartment and make sure that it drains really well. Then we'll dump some sort of vinegar or bleach down that drain to help kill that stuff off. It was plugged up on the inside there where it actually drains. Sorry if the audio is really poor. I did not mean to actually drop the GoPro in the water, but that's what happened. Pretty sure I just got a lot more sludge out of there. You can really hear it flowing back in the corner there. Oh yeah, lots more boogers. It is important to have an air gap. See how this pipe is 2 inches above the floor drain? If the sewer ever backs up and poop and water and pee come up out of this floor drain, it won't go into that pipe and push up into the ice machine and contaminate your ice, which is a very important safety health feature. There's a few different ways that they do air gaps, and usually it's better if it's closer to the machine so that you don't have sludge build up in a line like this. But obviously they didn't have a drain underneath it, so they just ran it down here into the basement to this floor drain. You can see that that slime is actually growing in the ice machine on the bottom of it. So that's where all that sludge came from. We're just gonna clean it and rinse it really good with Dawn dish soap. Rinsed it probably 4 times now. And now we're gonna dump some bleach down that. So down in the basement one more time before we bleach everything. I'm gonna vacuum it with soapy water out the line, and that'll kind of make sure there's no other sludge. I vacuumed it a lot from the top, and I'll do it a lot from the bottom, just to make sure there's no more chunks. And then the bleach will kill that off, and then we'll rinse some more water through the box where the ice sits so there's no bleach in there, and then we'll be good to go. And this bleach is actually concentrated, so we're not going to use direct concentrate. Just going to dissolve a little into this water down the drain. And that'll sanitize the whole bottom area. And then we'll rinse everything again in a little while, but that'll really work to kill off that stuff. So making ice, got our mess cleaned up, and looks like we're gonna be good to go. So hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll talk to you later.